In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new email account using Hostinger. Whether you're starting a new business or just need a fresh email address, this straightforward guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have everything you need to get started without a hitch. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, look around for either the hosting or dashboard options, which are conveniently positioned to provide easy access to the main menu. This is where you'll manage all the essential features, including your email. Now keep an eye out for the Emails tab. You'll find it sitting proudly in either the main dashboard or the top navigation menu. Once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. It'll transport you to the place where you'll start managing your email accounts. Next, let's choose the domain associated with your new email address. Under the section labeled Claim Your Free Email or Hostinger Email, you'll see a list of your available domains. Carefully consider which domain you want your email to be tied to, as this decision can be crucial for business branding or personal use. Once you've made your choice, click on Confirm or Manage located next to your selected domain. This ensures that all future actions pertain specifically to that domain, setting the stage for your new email account. Now the exciting part, creating the actual email account. Look for a button that says Create Email Account or Start Free. Clicking on this will initiate the setup process. Here, you get to personalize your new email address. In the space before the @ symbol, decide on a name that fits your needs. You might choose something generic like info or support if the account is for business use, or simply use your name or a unique identifier for personal correspondence. Next, it's time to create a strong and secure password for your email account. This step is paramount for keeping your account safe, so choose wisely and opt for a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've settled on a password, type it in and double check for any typos that might give you trouble later. Finally, with everything set up just the way you like it, click Create to complete the process. Hostinger will do its magic, and your brand new email account will be ready for action in no time. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will have you ready to send and receive emails in no time. Whether you're using this account for business or personal use, the clarity and ease of setting up an email with Hostinger ensure you're well on your way to staying connected. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.